patate schiacciate con aglio e rosmarino. When we're cooking, I know when I'm cooking, I'm anticipating the savoring of the food, the tasting at the end. And today, I'm gonna start with smashed potatoes. They'll be a hit every time you serve them. So here I have boiling water. I'm gonna put the potatoes right in. Let that cook for about 15 minutes. They'll be done. And among those potatoes, I found these. And you know, it brings me back to my childhood. My grandmother would plant the potatoes. And you know that this sprouts is exactly what she was looking for, and this is what makes the potato grow. She would cut the potato, as many sprouts as the potato had. This is how many plants of potatoes she would ultimately get. She would go in the field with a plow, make a little hole, and I would put this down in that little hole, cover it with dirt, and so on down the line. This is in the spring. By May, June, the plant would grow, and this potato harvest would last almost the whole year until the next spring. So we would have our potatoes for the whole winter. So now that you're gonna be planting potatoes too, let me finish on how you're gonna cook them. So here I have garlic and rosemary. Potatoes, that's all they require. Let's smash this good, flavor going all over. Chop them a little bit so there's more flavor spread amongst the potatoes. Okay, rosemary. Okay, and I'll give it a little chop. Just like that, not too much. Let's put that in here. Some olive oil, just like that. Some salt, and I think the potatoes are done. Let me test them. You don't want them overcooked. Yeah, you see, nice and easy, fast. It is done. Let me fish them right out. Let's get them in the oven. Parchment paper on a sheet like that is always good because you won't have to clean a lot after. Let's put it in here. Let's smash them up. Just take around something like this wide so you can apply a little bit of pressure. You do want it to crack a little bit because that's where the flavoring will go. And also you want it to crack because that's what will crisp up. And who doesn't like crispy potatoes? This is also fun. I'm sure your kids would like to do it. Okay. So mix them a little bit this way, that way, up and down. Drizzle a little bit of oil. So you want crispy potatoes, hot oven, 450 degrees for about 20-25 minutes, and you got your crispy potatoes. Let's get them in the oven. I got some time, and I love hearing from you guys, so let's see what's in my inbox. Oh, here's Frank. I'm tired of heating up frozen vegetables. You should be. What are some easy fresh vegetable side dishes that I could try to make? Certainly, I do a lot of the leafy vegetables. Spinach, the easiest. Crush a few garlic cloves, put a little bit of oil in the pan, salt the pepperoncino, put a little bit of water just to get it going, cover it and let it sweat, and it's delicious. You do the same with escarole, you know, it cooks a little longer. Broccoli, you can do the same thing. So that pan, garlic and oil, salt and pepperoncino can apply just about to any vegetable. I hope I'm gonna get you into cooking fresh vegetables, Frank. They're easy and delicious. So here we are, delicious smashed garlic rosemary potatoes. They look beautiful, they're crunchy, and they're easy to make. You saw that. So let's begin to plate them. This goes family style for sure. Put it on the table. You know, collect those little kind of nuggets of garlic too. Somebody might like to crunch on them because they are crunchable. That looks great. This one is for Lydia. I'm gonna leave it right here. And I'm gonna put some rosemary here just to kind of continue the wonderful aroma of this potatoes, just like that. And I'm gonna bring them to the table. Italians would drizzle a little bit of oil on the potatoes, but here in America, why not sour cream? I like sour cream. Is that enough? Maybe another cut or two. That's it. give it a little mix. Okay, let's put it in this presentable bowl. And we have the chive flour, and just kind of pluck it like that. You continue with the same flavor. Let me put this back on the table. And I left one potato for me. Let's taste that. This bowl off right here. Looks good. Looks really good. Contorno for a nice roast is beautiful, but you can use this as an appetizer or as a cocktail hour a little bit while you're serving your Prosecco, and put the dip right next to them. And of course, if you put a little caviar on the side, I'm sure they wouldn't mind.